Hello Group 1, this is Mrs. Nelson and we are going to be working on your area, perimeter, and multiples. So let's go ahead and get going here. Now, one thing that's super important when you're working on finding the area and the perimeter is show all of your work. If you are not showing all of your work, you will not be able to move on. So let's look at problem number 1. Okay, and it's asking you to find the area and the perimeter. Okay. So on here, the area is going to be length times width. So you are going to do the length, 5, times the width. So you need to write the equation. You have to write the equation. If you are not writing the equation, this is the equation, and 5 times 4 is 20. So your area is 20. Okay? You have to show the equation. You have to do this guy. If you don't, I don't move you on. Okay, the next one is perimeter. Perimeter is the measurement all the way around the sides. So 4 is one side, 4 is the other. And then 5 on one side, 5 on the other. Now we're going to add those up. You're going to have 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then the two ends, which is 4 plus 4. Okay, now you need to write the equations. You must. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. So your perimeter is 18. So circle your answers. That'll work. Now we're moving on to a square. A square is a very special rectangle. So you have to label all of the sides. So 9, 9, 9. So area is going to be measuring 9 times 9. So you have 9 times 9 is 81. So your area is 81. That's your area. Now you're going to do perimeter, which is adding all the sides up. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. So your perimeter is 36. Okay, so your perimeter is 36. Okay, so remember, you have to do one rectangle, one square. It doesn't matter which. I'm going to move down. So what are the first 3 multiples of 18? Or what is the, so you can either do this one or this one. I'm going to challenge myself and do the first 3 multiples of 27. So I have 27, and then if you're adding it up, you have 27 plus 27, 4, so that's 54. Okay, and then 54 plus 27, which is 4 plus 7 is 11, 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 8, and then there you go. So those are the first 3 multiples. Because, okay, all right, if you have questions or concerns, let me know. Make sure you are showing all of your work. All of your work. Questions, concerns, please see me. When you're done, then you'll turn this in, grab your independent work, and do your independent work.